smoke with me. Then turn this motherfucker up 800 degrees. Whole team eat chefs cause she's a treat. Ooh, she's so bougie, bon appetit.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Trinell, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this purple, yellow and blue eyeshadow look. It looks kind of hard, but I promise you it's super easy to do. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so I'm first starting off with a purple shade and placing it right in my crease area. I'm not gonna say which palettes I'm using because you don't necessarily have to have the exact palettes that I'm using to achieve this look. As long as you have the colors that I say, you're good to go. So yeah, I'm just pressing that purple in before I start to blend. Then I'm going in with a fuchsia pink shade to blend out that purple shade. You want to pack in the pink shade first before blending, so to get a flawless transition effect. After I have done that, I start to blend it out. I recommend doing this with a small blending brush so that you can have more control where the color goes and you don't have to do much cleaning up if needed. Now I'm taking my concealer and cutting a full cut crease. I'm using a shade that is lighter than my actual shade because it helps the color to show more and pop, you know. And this is why I recommend using a small blending brush as well, because you can place the color exactly where it needs to go, and as you can see, shape out your cut crease already, so it's less work. After I have cut my crease, I then place a yellow shade at the beginning and ending of my cut crease. Also, little FYI, I didn't set my cut crease, so I just went straight ahead and placed the yellow shade on top of the concealer. Then I'm taking a blue shade and placing it in the middle of the cut crease. You want to make sure to blend out the both sides of the blue shade so that it can be very smooth and neat and not as harsh. And I don't go way too up at the top of the cut crease because I want to give room for my white liner. Now you want to grab a white liner and line the top of the cut crease. I didn't have a white liner, so I went ahead and used a white eyeshadow. So if you don't have white liner, no need to worry, you can still get that white liner look with eyeshadow. And that's basically it. I went ahead and added black liner and lashes to finish off the look. Now for my face, I'm not going into details because I have a full face video that I'm going to upload for you guys. So I'm just going to let it play and I'll see you guys when I'm finished.
I don't dare wait for you, my charge. For you, my child.
And this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this eyeshadow look. I think it's dope, very out of the box, very different, but still pretty. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.